Welcome back, viewers of this tutorial series. This is Jason from Jason G Designs. Metacity and its successor, Mutter, are window manager themes. These themes control the windows around applications, facilitating resizing, minimizing, and closing windows, and etc. By default, an Oomox or Themix theme comes bundled with these themes. Metacity is used on GNOME Flashback, which uses GTK2, but Mutter is used as the window manager for GNOME Shell and Elementary OS. A version named Clutter is used in the Cinnamon desktop environment as well. In this tutorial, we are going to match the window borders to be similar to the look of GTK client-side decorated windows. Since I'm using an environment that doesn't have Metacity as a window manager, I will test in an application called Metacity Theme Viewer. As shown here, the program comes with the Metacity WM package. Since both Metacity and Mutter themes can be previewed here, we will view the theme in this application. We will first open the application and select our theme. As you can see, nothing shows up. That is because Metacity Theme Viewer only sees themes located in user-shared themes, but our theme is located in the themes directory in our home folder. I remedied that when creating two previous themes that this one is based off of. I created symbolic links from the .themes folder to user-shared themes, which we will do here. Searching through a page on linuxeyes.com, we would type in ln followed by a -s, a space, and then the directory to link from. In this case, that directory is the theme folder name in the home directory. Then follows another space and a new directory to link to. Just to be clear, let's cd into .theme to make sure our theme folder is there. From here we type sudo space ln space -s, another space, tilde / .themes / omnu-champagne, another space, and then user themes omnu-champagne. The tilde symbol is a placeholder for our home directory. For this, you will need your sudo password. Rechecking user shared themes, our symbolic link for omnu-champagne is now there. And now our theme comes up in Metacity Theme Viewer. Looking at this view of Omnu Ice, a similar theme to the one we are creating, we have a gradient instead of a solid color. Let's open the Metacity Theme 2 and Metacity Theme 3 XML files in a text editor. In the text editor, let's search for titlebar _fill _focused, which refers to the background behind the title bar. We want the design to match with the header bar in a GTK CSD window. In this clip, I copied the code from my tutorial steps file, but I will leave a link to a tutorial resources page where you can find it. The two colors in the gradient accord to the colors from the header bar in the gtk.css file. Add the same code to both files. For the unfocused window state, copy the second gradient shown here and paste in place of the include line. This clip shows where I got the information for the unfocused color. It is the same gradient as the title bar backdrop in the GTK file. Now Metacity Theme Viewer shows our completed design. For this design, I couldn't figure out how to get rounded corners and gradients for the design, so I went with the gradient only. The Metacity Theme 3 file from Mutter gets the colors throughout the theme from those defined in gtk.css, so I optionally made sure the backup colors used match the colors in the Metacity Theme 2 file. Of course, there are other changes that can be made, but I personally find working with Metacity themes to be very complex. One missing item in the preview will not show up in the theme viewer. However, if you want to go further, I will leave a link in the description for the official webpage, which has in-depth information on how these themes are constructed. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, as more content in this series is on the way.